This is Bondman Construction, and we're doing a seismic retrofit on a foundation on a 100-year-old home. And we're down here now hand excavating and removing the dirt so we have access to do our work. See over here, we've had to put some temporary shoring in to hold up the girders. We load the dirt on a conveyor and it takes it outside, and then we load it up and haul it off and dispose of it. Some of it on site, and then some of it we haul off site. You can see on this old house, a lot of the piers are deteriorating. The brick piers are cracking, and the mortar is deteriorated between the brick. As you can see, that one right there is about ready to fall off. There's another example right there of the old unreinforced brick pier footing. We're going to put new girders, new pier footings, and then we're going to shotcrete the walls on the interior. I'm going to pause it for a minute, then I'll give you a closer look at the condition of these existing piers. Here we are over at this one pier, and you can see how it's just about ready to slide off. The dirt, the bricks are cracked, the post is at an angle. It's in terrible shape. We'll be replacing this with a new 6x10 girder and some cast in place 3-foot diameter piers. Over here is another example. This is just sitting on 2 bricks, nothing holding it up except for the temporary supports that we have in. Other than that, the whole floor system would fall in. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. That's it for Bondman Construction. This is Bondman Construction, and we're on another home in Redlands doing a foundation retrofit. It's the day before we shoot the shotcrete. You can see we've got the rebar in, we've got the foundation anchor plates. It's all ready to go. Hopefully we don't get rain tomorrow. I say pour it rain or shine. We don't like to leave them sitting like this too long. It's not a good idea. It's good to get them poured. Here we are on the other side. See, this is all ready. And then it comes down into the basement area. The crew's in here working on that. There's Gabriel doing his magic. You can see this is an old unreinforced brick foundation, and the mortar between the bricks just falls apart. There's nothing holding it up and nothing holding the house to the foundation. So that's what we're trying to accomplish. Until tomorrow, when we shoot the gunite. Here we're back on the job. We're shooting shotcrete today. It was raining. The rain let up for a little bit. In the basement, we had a little problem. The concrete was too wet. It slid out, so we're gonna have to let it set up a little bit. Not a good day when that happens. There's a finished product.
No están nivelados todos. Está bien, está bien. Sí, ahí está bien nomás. My friend, ¿está bien así? Ya se va a caer ahí. Ahí está abajo. ¿Está bien aquí? ¿Ya se acabó, va? ¿Ya se acabó? Dale. ¿Qué onda? ¿Ah? Vamos y nada más, papi, jálelo.